Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. One of the ways I like to do that is to make sure I'm using healthy products for my skincare and for my family and for my cleaning around my home. And of course, my favorite way to do that is with Jordan Essentials products because they're made in Nixa, Missouri. It's a woman-owned company that's been around since 2000, so they know what they're doing. They do all the research and make sure all the ingredients are clean, botanically based ingredients, so they're not going to bother my skin or be harmful. And I just love them. So I have the December Joyful Jordan box to share with you. This is the monthly surprise subscription box from Jordan Essentials, and I can't wait to open it and share what's inside. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So as I mentioned, this is the December Joyful Jordan box, and each box is $30. You can choose to subscribe, and when you do, it'll automatically ship out each month, and there is free shipping with the subscription boxes. Or you can just buy the box once or buy 3 of them and make a bunch of gifts. There's lots of ways you can do it. And at $30 for the box, it's always valued at $40 or more. So you're guaranteed to get a good deal on the products. And it's usually full of exclusive items or mostly exclusive items that you cannot get in the regular catalog. So it's also a great way just to try out some new and different products and to get some extra goodies that you can't normally order. I love the box because it's a cute design. It's great for gifting. So it says on the side, open a little joy. So if you're going to use the box to gift to someone, you could. The back is easy to put your label on there and mail it out. I use these all the time to mail out gifts to my customers and to my friends. And I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, so I will have my shopping link down in the description box below if you're curious. And I also have a website with lots of information. It is natashashealthyliving.com. So be sure to check that out. I've got my blog over there, all my information about Jane's Agenda, Jordan Essentials, all the things. So without further ado, let's take a peek and open up this little box of awesomeness. And for the month of December, since we're heading into the winter months and the gifting season, we have a nice collection here. So each box is going to come with a card, and the card will have a decorative side that just has a Bible verse or an uplifting quote and a pretty image. So this one says, "Step into the magic where hope is born in the heart, joy is shared in every smile, and love lights the way forward." And then on the back of the card, you're going to have some information about the products and how to use them. So that's what's great is if you are gifting, this will tell the recipient everything they need to know. So this is an exclusive collection. None of these products are in our current catalog, and they have been around before. So if you've been familiar with Jordan Essentials for several years, then you might have seen these. And I love it when things like that come back around because I've usually used up the previous collection, and I'm excited to get my hands on some more. So this is our we used to call it a Happy Feet collection. So it's a foot care set, and it comes with a full-size 4-ounce peppermint foot scrub. This is called Tootsie Tingle. Lots of cute names on everything. So it says massage invigorating foot scrub into your feet using a pumice stone or loofah, or you can even just use a washcloth. That's typically what I do. And it has cosmetic grade walnut shells which gently exfoliate, removing dry, dead skin and leaving your heels feeling like new. Perfect for tackling the toughest winter wear on your feet. So if you've been enjoying the summer months and wearing sandals and flip-flops and now your feet are a little worse for wear, this is a great scrub to exfoliate, kind of slough off all that dead skin. You can work into those areas that have some thick calluses and get that kind of freshened up. And then the benefit of that is then once you've done that nice exfoliation, your feet are ready to moisturize and they'll soak in all that good moisture because you can't really moisturize dead skin. So we need to get the dead skin off and the fresh new skin ready to go. I love this. It's even a great body scrub if you want just kind of that invigorating, peppermint, uplifting scent. It feels great if you've been on your feet all day and your feet are tired and achy, then this is a really nice one to treat your feet and sort of freshen up and wake up your feet a little bit. It's cooling and just smells wonderful. Then we have the Peppy Foot Bliss Shea Butter. So this is a fun little purse-sized shea butter, and our peppermint essential oil. It's a 2-ounce tube of that. So I love that because you can use it on your feet, but of course you could also pop it in your purse or your diaper bag or your desk drawer and have some great shea butter lotion to moisturize your hands as well. And it says, indulge in a warm, rich massage with this peppermint shea butter blend. Magnesium works to ease and refresh tired feet, while peppermint essential oil brings a refreshing, cool sensation. African shea butter deeply hydrates, locking in moisture even on the chilliest days. And I love that we have magnesium added to this. We have a whole line of topical magnesium products. So if you're curious, definitely check out my link below and you can find out more about our topical magnesium. It works so well to help the body, help the cells. Everything needs magnesium to work. So this just helps your body kind of boost everything, work better, and it's great for refreshing those tired, achy feet. And of course, that peppermint on top of it's going to be just, it's heaven. It feels so good to use that peppermint shea butter on your feet. But like I said, you could use it on hands, elbows, and knees, anywhere you want. And then the last thing is our Mintalicious Magic Peppermint Pedi Stick. So this is a beeswax base stick. So it kind of looks like a giant tube of lip balm. And you could, I wouldn't use it on your lips, but you can basically use it anywhere on your body. But it's also really good to use on your feet. So it says, rub convenient pedi stick on heels and the balls of your feet to seal in moisture. Packed with magnesium, known as the miracle mineral, it helps soothe soreness and keeps your skin soft and nourished. It's the perfect winter remedy after a long day. And that is awesome that it's got the magnesium in it as well. I really like these as a little purse on-the-go lotion because if the lid doesn't go on quite right, it's a solid stick of lotion basically. So it's not going to spill in my purse. And it works great as a boo-boo stick. If you have a headache, you can rub it on your temples or your neck. If you have tight, stiff tech neck or stress in your shoulders, you can rub it on your shoulders. Of course, it's amazing on your feet. And with that magnesium, it's going to help relax the muscles and soothe any achy muscles. It's great for twitches. So it does have peppermint, so I wouldn't put it too close to your eye, but even just rubbing it on your temples could help. Your body will take that magnesium and pull it where it needs it. So if you have an eye twitch, just put a little like on your forehead or on your temples, and I bet your eye twitch will go away. You'll have to try it and let me know if that works for you. And the other thing that's nice is the shea butter is mixed with a beeswax base, like I mentioned, and the benefit of beeswax is it helps to seal in your body's own moisture and protect your skin, especially from the cold, dry winter air. So that's why I like to carry it as a purse lotion, because I can work it into my cuticles, I can put it on my hands, my elbows, and it's kind of a multi-purpose all-in-one product, and it's so small and convenient and easy to throw in my bag. So keep it all together if you want. Make a little like pedicure set that you put in a little pamper basket with your favorite nail polish. If you want to do up your feet, you can use all the products, you know, just in your everyday self-care and bathroom routine. Use the scrub in the shower, follow up with your shea butter and your pedi stick, or take them on the go and kind of split them up and use them where you need. So lots of great ways to use this. And of course, it'd be fun to make these into some stocking stuffers. So if you're looking for some gift ideas, it'd be great to split this up, and whoever gets each one would have fun using just that one product on its own too. So lots of good ideas. I've even seen some of my fellow Jordies, they will take this whole set with them to the salon when they get their nails done, and they'll just have their nail technician use all these products on their feet when they're getting a pedicure, or on their hands when they're getting their hands done or their nails done for a manicure. So it's really fun to use this, but I like the fact that I can use it at home and it feels like I'm having a little moment of spa time, and I don't have to leave my house or spend any extra money. I've got the products to use over and over again. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Stay cozy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.